Hey everyone, and welcome to this Amazon Lumberyard tutorial video. In this video, we'll be setting up Git LFS with our Lumberyard repo, so that way we can send large files to our repo without having Git crash or having to separate our commits into a load of really small ones. So first we should install Git LFS. You can download it from here, or if you installed Git recently, it was an option that you could tick in the install process. Then, once you've done that, you could do it through the command line, or you could just open up Git Kraken, go into File, Preferences, under Repo Specific Preferences, choose LFS, and click Initialize LFS on this repo. Then, for a new pattern, choose any files that you feel might be too big. For instance, all FBX files, we probably want to use LFS. And probably all our textures as well, that's a good idea. Images, maybe CGF files if you're using those.